All right, so let's say you've got 100 grand sitting in the bank. I mean, that's awesome, right? A fantastic start. But what if I told you that every single day that money is just sitting there, it's actually losing value? Yeah, I'm serious. You're not just missing out on making money, you're actively getting poor. Welcome to my channel, The Financial Exit. Today we're going to talk about how to flip that script and put a stop to it for good.
Okay, so let's get right into it. Think of it like this. There's this invisible thief that's sneaking into your bank account every night. Its name? Inflation. And while your money's just chilling in the bank, the price of literally everything, your groceries, your gas, your coffee, it's all creeping up. And what that means is your hard-earned cash just doesn't go as far as it used to. It's buying less and less.
And look, let's just break down the raw numbers. Your savings account, maybe it's paying you, 1% interest if you're lucky, but at the exact same time, inflation is cruising along at about 3% a year. So you don't have to be a math whiz to see what's happening, right? You're in the red. You're losing 2% of your money's real value every single year, and you haven't even spent a dime.
And this is exactly why this is so critical. You want to know what the average American has saved up for retirement? $65,000. That's it. I mean, think about that. With today's cost of living, that might not even cover you for 5 years. So letting your savings get chewed up by inflation, it's not just a missed opportunity. No, it's a full-on threat to your entire future.
But here's the good news. There is a solution. And the best part? It has nothing to do with gambling on some risky crypto coin or trying to become a Wall Street wizard overnight. Nope, it's a simple, proven tool that the wealthiest people have been using for decades to just quietly build their fortunes in the background.
And hey, don't just take it from me. Let's talk about the master, Warren Buffett. He literally said that when he passes away, 90% of the money he leaves his wife should go into, you guessed it, simple index funds. He's not telling his family to go out and pick stocks. He's telling them to do this. And an index fund is just a big basket that holds tiny pieces of hundreds of different companies. You're not betting on one horse, you're betting on the whole race. So if it's the go-to plan for the Buffett family fortune, you better believe we should be paying attention.
Okay, so to do this, we need a place to make it happen. And for my money, Fidelity is an absolute titan. I mean, these guys have been in the game since 1946. They manage over $4 trillion. Think about that. They've survived and thrived through every single market crash for almost 80 years. And the best part? Their fees are insanely low. And for some of these funds, they're literally zero. That means every penny you invest is working for you, not for them.
All right, you ready? Let's get to the actual blueprint. We're going to build an absolute powerhouse of a portfolio with just 5 specific funds from Fidelity. And each one has a special job to do, creating this perfect blend of rock-solid stability and straight-up explosive growth.
First up, we've got our foundation, our bedrock. It's FSTA. This fund invests in what's called consumer staples. Basically, the stuff people have to buy no matter what. We're talking Coca-Cola, Costco, Procter & Gamble. It doesn't matter if the economy's flying high or in a nosedive, people are still going to buy toilet paper and toothpaste. This is the safety net for your portfolio.
And here's a perfect example of why that safety net is so crucial. Cast your mind back to the 2008 financial meltdown. The whole market just cratered. It fell almost 40%. But consumer staples? They only went down about 15%. That is the kind of stability that lets you actually sleep at night when the markets are going crazy.
But don't you dare think stable means slow. Not at all. Based on how it's performed in the past, that $100,000 in FSTA could grow to over $654,000 in 30 years. That is just solid, dependable growth from some of the most reliable companies in the world.
Okay, so we've got this safety net. Now let's talk about the rocket fuel. Meet FDIS. This is the Consumer Discretionary Fund. So instead of what people need to buy, this is all about what people want to buy when they're feeling good. Think Amazon, think Tesla, think Home Depot. This, my friends, is the growth engine. And the potential here, it's just staggering. That same 100 grand, if you put it in FDIS over 30 years, it could potentially turn into more than $3.1 million. You're tapping into the power of the biggest, most popular brands on the planet.
All right, next up, we're adding another layer of that rock-solid stability. This is FHLC, the healthcare fund. I mean, think about it. It's a non-negotiable, right? People will always need doctors and medicine no matter what the economy is doing. This fund is packed with giants like Johnson & Johnson and Eli Lilly, basically the backbone of modern medicine.
And you know what? The numbers absolutely back it up. $100,000 invested right here could grow to almost $1.4 million over 30 years. That's what happens when you combine something everyone needs with constant, cutting-edge innovation.
Okay, now we're going to really pour some gasoline on the growth fire. Let's talk about ONEQ. This fund tracks the entire Nasdaq index. That's where you find the most innovative, forward-thinking companies on the planet. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, the absolute titans who are building our future right now. This is your ticket to the innovation lottery.
And the wealth-building potential here it's just insane. Based on the Nasdaq's track record, your 100K could balloon to over $5.4 million in 30 years. That is the raw power of betting on the future. And for our fifth and final fund, we're going to get even more laser-focused. This is FTEC, a pure-play tech fund. It zooms in on the absolute leaders of the pack, companies like Nvidia, that are the engine behind the whole AI revolution. So if ONEQ is the army of innovation, think of FTEC as the elite SEAL Team 6.
Okay, I want you to prepare yourself for this next number. Are you ready? That $100,000 investment in FTEC, based on its historical performance, could grow to an unbelievable $17.4 million in 30 years. Just let that sink in for a second. That is the mind-blowing potential of investing directly in world-changing technology.
So there you have it, 5 incredible funds. Now, I know what you're thinking after hearing that last number. Why don't I just dump all my money into FTCE and call it a day? But listen, the real secret here, the real magic of building long-term wealth isn't about finding one lottery ticket. It's about combining all of these into one balanced machine that gives you that safety, that growth, and that explosive potential all at the same time.
And the strategy itself could not be easier. You take your $100,000 and you split it 5 ways. $20,000 into each fund. Simple. And why do we do this? Because that incredible growth from the tech funds, it comes with bigger swings, more volatility. The steady funds like the consumer staples and healthcare, they act like shock absorbers on a car. They smooth out the bumps in the road so you can stay invested and capture all that amazing long-term growth without getting sick to your stomach.
And you have to remember, your single greatest superpower in all of this is time. In the first few years, the growth will feel steady. It's nice. But then, after 10 years, 20 years, and especially 30 years, that's when the magic of compounding kicks in. Your money starts making money, and then that money starts making its own money. Your portfolio doesn't just add up anymore. It starts to multiply exponentially. Look, the hardest part of any of this isn't getting it. You get it. The hardest part is just starting. So let's make it dead simple. I'm going to break it down into 3 easy steps you can literally do the second this is over.
Step 1. Go online and open a free account with Fidelity. Seriously, it takes like 10 minutes. Less time than it takes to order a pizza. Step 2. Move that $100,000 out of that sleepy bank account and into your new Fidelity account. And step 3. Buy these 5 funds. And that's it. Boom, you're done. You've just put your money to work for you.
So, that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? For you. You now have the knowledge. You have the blueprint. You know the exact tools to use. So are you going to let your money keep losing a fight with inflation inside a bank account? Or are you going to take action and plug it into what is maybe the greatest wealth-building machine ever created?
Really, the choice is all yours. Hey, if you got any value out of this today, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps other people find this stuff. And make sure you subscribe for more strategies just like this one. Oh, and if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them. I'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment down below and tell me your biggest financial goal. Welcome to the Financial Exit.